So hello, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today it is my third video, and just I'm going to prove you that by my videos that you can just simply code with your mobile, and not a simple code, just you can print a complex to complex code from a mobile compiler without any use of laptop. So stop giving excuses and start your code. So in this code we are going to make a add some make a result of any student, and further we will improve it in our next video. So in this video we'll make it as simple as that. So starting without any waste of your time, so as we all know, you first type like include stdio h. I think you know this. It's just a kind of library. Stdio, not studio, it's stdio.h. Now you have to type like int main. In every C code you have to just type this thing before starting your code. Okay, now you don't have to type here. You have to just open a bracket, curly bracket, and just you have to type here return 0, and this one. Now it is a basic format by which you can start coding, and in our last video, if you haven't watched, that is in my playlist or on my channel profile, you can just see this. In my last video I think I have teached you how to print a table of any number up to 10th place, and it will print like 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, and so on to 6 into 10 60. But in this video it is totally different. We are just going to take an input of marks of any student, and we are just going to print the total marks obtained by the student at the last. Okay, so we are just defining some variable, so we can input by scanf into that variable. So we are just defining like math. Let's define it math. Another variable is like SCIENCE science. Let's put a space here to look it more fancy. Math, science, and the third subject is suppose that history. Okay, HISTORY, history. Okay, now close this by semicolon. Now you have to just type like printf function, and then you have to enter tell me your name. Tell me your name here. Okay, now here we can add a semicolon. After this we have to just make a one more function like char. It will be char, that is char function, where we can store the values in the form of alphabets or what we can strings. So here we will like suppose it's name, so type name, NAM, and then start here, and it should be of 10 digit, and now close it. We are just closing it here. Now starting another like char. I will explain you later why I am just creating two variable for name and NAM2, and I am just adding here this one. Sorry, I am not putting 2 here. I am typing like last name, LNAME. Okay, LNAME, last name, and we are just giving it a up to 10. Okay, and closing it by inverted comma. Now we are just getting value from the user, so we have to type like a scanf. It is a function that is used to take the values from the user. Now that name is a type of what, string, so %as will define it by it, and now we are going to add here comma. What will be this %as? This %as will be nam and am. Okay, and we are going to add one more %, so one more %as, and what it will be? It will be lnam. Okay, suppose here I am writing SAMIR. So yes, Samir, SAMIR is a nam, and space after space SRINATR, it's lnam. Okay, so this will help it out to make it more clear. Now here we are adding nam, and after comma lnam. Okay, now it is clear till here. Now I have to print like print tell me your marks, whatever he has got in math, science, and history. We are going to get values from the user for all these subjects. So we'll like printf marks you got in math. Okay, and just we are going to put here a semicolon. Now scanf, scanf, and that marks will be in the form of digit, so %d. Now adding a comma, and then that marks, it is of math, so it will be stored in the variable known as math, which is here. Okay, so now we are going to just copy these things. Printf now copy this, and now we are going to paste it twice. Paste, and now paste, done. And we are just going to change the whatever it is written here, like here it is math, now we will make it SCIENCE, science, and this math will Now this is the value of science marks, so we are going to change it as C science. Okay, now third one will be history, HISTORY, HISTORY. And the thing that is to be noted here, C language is a case sensitive language, so you can't type like HISTORY. The capital H will be not a good program, it will not work. You have to just use it small. If you are making here capital, then just you have to define the variable by a capital H. So that is the only case where your program will learn. Okay, that you are giving any value to the variable. Now we have just taken all these value. Now the thing that we have to do to add here /n. Actually, when you are coding, add it at that instance only, because when we are typing. But for your reference, I am just adding it after this, so you can learn how to make a space between line. Okay. Now here we have taken all the values from the user. Now we'll define function printf again, and we'll print like your total marks. First put n/n, your total marks are %d. That will be in the form of digit, whatever marks will be, that is %d full stop, and after this comma we are going to put what is this %d. This %d is math plus science, 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 plus math plus science plus history, HISTORY. Done. Now print. This is just to make your code look more beautiful. We are just adding stars at the last. The end, the END, the end, and we are just going to put here /the end. Okay, so that it will appear in a new line. And at the end we are going to add some more stars here. Now what do you think this program will run or not? Let's try it out. Now it is compiled and it is telling that there is some error here. So NAM we have defined, so we found a mistake here, LNAME. Okay, and suppose we have taken input of the name. Let's add one more thing here. Printf your name is %s space %s, and what will be the value of this s? The value of this s is let's put a comma here. The one value of s is NAM, and the second value of s is, let's put a comma here, is LNAME. Okay, now run. Now it is compiled. It is asking tell me your name. Let's type it Sameer space Srinath. Okay, your marks got in math. Suppose I got 70 plus one more 70 and plus. Okay, now the error is in third part. Okay, now we'll correct it here. So okay, I have got that mistake, and that mistake is here. Like whenever you are taking any value by scanf, you have to just type a AND here. Okay, without this AND, it will not take a value from a user. It will take a value from user, but it will not save that value to the identified whatever you have allotted to the variable. Okay, so here never forget to add AND here. Okay, so here this is the live example how you can make a mistake in your code, and then you will search for hours what I have made a mistake, and it is very hard to catch where we have done a mistake. And I have just changed this SCI for science and HIS for history for to type easily. Actually we code to make our work easy. So if you are making anything in your code, just use the short forms and just think like anything which is easy to remember, like HIS means history, SCI means science. Okay, I think it will work. Now we have added all that, and wherever we are taking the value by scanf. Now let's try it out one more time, and here it is a mistake one more time because here I want to change this SCI and HIS. If you are coding, it is definite that you are going to make mistake, and that mistake will teach you a lot. Okay, so now I am going to type my name, Sameer Srinath. Okay, what marks you got in math? Suppose I got 78 plus 78, no, like 76 plus marks I got in 79. Okay, now enter. Your name is Sameer Srinath. Your total marks are 223. The end. Process completed. Press enter. Now this is the simple code that anyone can find. Suppose any commenter. Suppose I have Vishal Sharma. Okay, suppose he got 56 in maths and 98 in science, and in history 87. Now your name is Vishal Sharma, your total marks are 241. The end, the process completed. Okay, it is as simple as that. Okay, and in the next video we will learn to teach our code. If the marks is below 100, then it will just print you are fail, and if the marks is above 100, then it will say congratulations, you are passed to a user. So we will use this code tomorrow. So we are going to save it now. Print as now save it as I'm saving it as my video 4 video video 4, and we will just save it. Now it is saved. You will cut it, it doesn't matter. You can open it like open, and it is showing a warning that your code will be lost. And suppose I have made a code like video 4. Here it is. If you click here, it will appear here. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.